I'm going to show y'all how to make a spinning gambrel out of 2 straps. You just take this right here. Just find a tree that's hanging over like this. Come on here. And just tighten it down like that right there. So, and I just tie the rest of the strap around it like this. And then put one more up. Like that, and then I get it to tighten down a little bit. Like that, and then you can move the straps like this. And you'll lower and raise the animal up if you want to. If you could just like that. Raise this up. And same thing with this side. So, yeah, I just want to make a video. If you ain't got like one like this, just how to make one like that. And what you do, you just come right here and cut a hole through the fur right in the foot of the back foot of the coon or coyote or whatever you're gonna be hanging, possum, whatever. Just cut it and hang them right there. Normally I just hang one leg at a time. It's just most of the time you don't hang both of the time, but you can do whatever you want to. So go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.